As you can see, drone, another drone. Here we go. Look at this drone just coming into our neighborhood. Wow, another one. LA, look at this. Just so brazen. Clearly, Los Angeles is being overtaken by a swarm of drones. As you can see, there's two right there. They're overtaking the neighborhood, surrounded by drones. Los Angeles is infiltrated and surrounded, as you can see, by drones. We can tell those are not airplanes because drones would pretend to be airplanes. They would look like them, but we know that they are not. That one's basically just hovering there. Look at that, pretending to be a plane light. Although that one next to the red light is concerning. Why isn't it moving? That's a stay-in-place drone. But really, what is that one? Why isn't it moving? And now it is just dimming? What's going on with that? Oh, it looks like it's moving now. Clearly, this is a plasma or NHI drone, and wow.